In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Calendly link. If you've ever spent too much time bouncing back and forth to schedule a meeting, this is the fastest way to fix that. We're using Calendly's built-in copy and paste method so you can share a booking link in seconds and let people choose a time that works for both of you. First, a quick picture of where this happens. In Calendly, your events are listed on either the home page or the event types page. You'll see your different options, like a quick intro call or a longer meeting, each shown as a separate event card. The one you want to send is what Calendly calls the desired event. Here's the move. Find that event on the home or event types page, then look for the copy link option right next to it. Click copy link. Calendly will copy the unique booking URL for that specific event to your clipboard instantly. You'll usually see a small confirmation that the link's been copied. That's it, your link is ready to share. Now paste that link anywhere people will see it. Drop it into an email, a chat message, a project thread, or a support ticket. Add it to your bio, your email signature, or a button on your website. Many apps even generate a quick preview so the person knows it's a scheduling link. To keep things clear, add a short line around it like, "Here's my booking link for a 30-minute meeting." That small bit of context helps recipients understand exactly what they're clicking. When someone opens your link, they'll land on the event's booking page where they can pick a time from your available slots, enter their details, and confirm. Calendly then handles the scheduling behind the scenes, including time zone adjustments and calendar invites based on your event settings. The important thing to remember is that this link only exposes the availability you've set for that event. It doesn't reveal your whole calendar. A couple of quick tips to make sharing smoother. If you have multiple event types, double-check you're copying the correct one so people book the right duration. If your audience spans different regions, consider mentioning that Calendly automatically adjusts to their time zone. This reduces confusion. And if you frequently share the same event, save the link in a note or pin it in your messaging app so it's always one paste away. That's the entire process. On the home or event types page, click copy link next to the event you want and paste it anywhere you communicate. Simple, fast, and professional.